Shanghai Acepack Intelligent Technology Company Limited was established in 2005 with registered capital of 20 million. Acepack is a high-tech enterprise committing on development, manufacturing, sales and service of intelligent packaging system and fully automatic packaging equipment. Since the establishment, Acepack has been dedicating to offer complete turnkey packaging solutions to our customers, adhering to the concept of creation, study, integrity, unity, and win-win. Acepack has offered customized pouch packaging solutions to customers located in more than 70 countries and regions of the world, and gained its reputation by good quality and service. Our main products are horizontal packing machines, doypack packing machines, spout pouch filling machines, shaped bag packing machines, flat sachet packing machine, and pre-made pouch packing machines, which can be used for packing liquid, powder, or granule material by pouches. Our packaging machines are energy-saving, high automatic, and easy to operate. We have professional engineer support, high-efficiency sales team, and competitive price superiority, and attract customers from all over the world. We export to over 70 countries, including Europe, Poland, Serbia, Turkey, Russia, USA, Mexico, Brazil, Thailand, Middle East, and South Africa, regardless of whether Acepack meets the needs of end users or industry requirement. We will rely on the collaborative development of innovative technologies in multi-fields to build an international brand of intelligent packaging system and create packaging value for global customers.